If you've ever heard your pilot tell you, hey, it's been a while since I've flown, would you get in the cockpit with him or her? I know I wouldn't. That's why tonight I'm going out practicing my landings so that way I know my skills are as sharp as they can be, and that way, most importantly, I can stay proficient while I'm operating in that aircraft. From the pain, I just wanna Alright, before we get going here, I just need a pre-flight, set up my cameras, make sure everything is good to go in the aircraft, and then what we're gonna do is basically taxi out to the runway and just do some touch and goes to a full stop at night. So come along with me while I practice my landings. I just wanna just a bit there. Okay.
Information Yankee. Code Airbase Information Yankee 0756 Zulu observation. Wind 020 at 11. Is bearing restricted. Fuel clouds at 5,500 feet. Temperature 14, dew point 02. Altimeter 2974. Push out 2 plus 631. Density out 2 plus 759er. Expected house approach. Runway 36 in use. Landers contact. Information Yankee.
Okay. Information Yankee. 2974 is our altimeter setting. We'll go ahead and put that in, and we'll get taxi instructions. Eco to ground, good evening. November 1840 Victor with you, looking to taxi for closed traffic.
Number 1840 Victor, Eco to ground, for my 36 Echo 2, taxi via Golf, and contact turn ready.
Okay, 36 Echo 2, taxi via Golf, and we'll contact tower when we're ready. 1840 Victor, thank you. Alright, clear on the right, clear on the left. Now release the brakes. And brakes feel good. Well, it's, you know, good to have you guys on board. Going to be taxiing via Golf and then Echo 2 for runway 36 tonight. And we'll do a couple touch and goes, make sure they're to a full stop, each and every one of them. We'll just do 3 tonight. You know, it's really important, like I said earlier, it's really important that every pilot is staying proficient in the aircraft and not only staying current, but you know, as much as you can, you want to keep flying. You want to keep making sure that those skills that you obtained while training stay fresh. Alright, we'll go over to tower. Foxtrot looks clear, Echo 2 looks clear. On tower frequency right now, I don't hear anyone in the traffic pattern, so that's good for me. Flaps are up. Carburetor heat is off. Heading indicator bug, we're on a westbound heading. And mixture will put in full rich, takeoff instructions. COM 1. And tower frequency is set. You go to tower, good evening, November 1840 Victor with you, Echo 2, looking for departure, closed traffic.
Number 1840 Victor, you go to tower, runway 36 Echo 2, wind 030 out 14, clear for takeoff, across departure and at about 800 feet.
Okay, clear for takeoff, runway 36, and we'll cross departure in at 800 above, 1840 Victor. Alright, takeoff instructions and external lights we will turn on, get those strobe lights on. Navigational lights are on already. We'll keep our taxi lights on just for safety. Do a normal takeoff today. Flaps are up, throttle fully open. We'll rotate at 60 miles an hour and climb at about 89 miles per hour. Left clear, right clear, opposite taxiway looks clear. 020 to 11. Giving ourselves as much runway as possible. And here we go. Checking our power. Power looks good. Engine instruments are green. Airspeed is locked. And there's a rotate speed. Step on the brakes real quick. Make sure that we stop those wheels from spinning. And 89. Alright, perfect on the downwind. City looks amazing. Huge tailwind, already passing the tower. Gonna throw in the carb heat down to 1700 on the RPM. And we'll turn our base. You go to tower, left base, 184 Victor.
40 Victor, runway 36, wind 030 at 15, clear for the option. Cross approach end and departure end at about 800 feet.
Okay, clear for the option, runway 36, and we'll cross approach and departure end at 800 above, 184 Victor. And so the reason why we have to stay 800 and above, I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but 800 feet above the thresholds is what we want to stay at. Wow, we are creeping, crawling. Ground speed 48, true airspeed 77, that's amazing. So the reason why we're doing that is because there's actually a highway that goes along the thresholds of the runway, and each side of the runway. And with that, you know, these highways connect the base, east and west side of bases of Yokota Air Base. So it's really important, you know, for everyone to get on each side of the base, but it's also important for us, you know, us little aircraft. We have a 11,000 foot runway. We don't necessarily, there is the highway. I can start diving down now. We don't necessarily need all 11,000 feet. So basically what we do is we stay 800 feet above so that way they don't have to stop the traffic for us. It's kind of cool. Watch your airspeed. And descending nice and slow. About 500 foot descent. Not too bad. And we'll slowly come to a complete stop, put up our flaps, turn the carburetor heat off. Flaps are up, indicate up, carburetor heat is off, and we have come to a complete stop. Alright, let's go. Alright, just crossing the tower, looking for our landing point. Level at 1,500 feet. We'll go ahead.
402 shop crew inside of the heavy C-17, 19 mile final. Are you able to do a short approach?
That's affirmative, we'll do a short approach, 24 Victor.
Number 40, roger. Make short approach, runway 36, wind 030 at 16, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 36, wind 84 Victor. Alright, so C-17's on approach right now. We're going to try to get down here as fast as possible. And as safely as possible, too.
Reach 484, heading 030 for the ILS 36.
Reach 484 Heavy, Dakota Tower, roger. Port final approach fix. Traffic you're following, Cessna 172, short final.
Report fast and establish for reach 486, or 484.
Oh my God. Holy cow. I do not know if the camera picked that up or not, but wow, the flock of birds just went right past my windshield. Whew. Dakota Tower 184 Victor, just be advised, a flock of birds just went right past my windshield on final.
Roger, keys in the direction of flight.
Going to southwest.
402, Roger. Break, reach 44 Heavy, did you copy that transmission?
44, copy.
Alright, flaps are up, engine instruments are green, power, and airspeed is good.
Reach 44 Heavy, runway 36, wind 030 at 16, clears to land.
Alright, little end, runway 36, reach 484.
Okay, that's number 2.
Number 40 Victor, try to follow 6 mile final, Heavy C-17, left close approved.
Left close approved, 184 Victor. Not sure well the camera picks up that C-17, but landing lights just on final there, maybe a mile out. And we'll most likely just extend our downwind for him. Probably be a minute.
Number 40 Victor, would you like the base to follow Heavy C-17 or right 360?
Yeah, we'll take the right 360 just for now, 184 Victor.
Number 40 Roger, right 360 approved, report base 36.
Okay, right 360 approved and we'll report our base 36, 184 Victor. Alright, so what basically the controller's doing to us is making us do, not really making us, but it's a good idea that we just do kind of a right 360 here. That way we give him time to get off the runway and give us time, and give the wake turbulence some time to dissipate. So this will be a good moment for me to kind of practice my turns around a point, especially with all this wind. This wind is crazy. So I got my intersection there. And I'll be using that as my ground reference. Never a dull moment in aviation. You can always learn from each and every flight you do. It's actually been a while since I've done a turnaround a point, so this is perfect. This is awesome. Staying on that intersection. Same distance regardless of the wind. The wind is pushing me towards it, so I'm leveling off a little bit, turning away from it. Keeping my 1,500 feet and relatively close airspeed to what I was when I entered. And again, we're going to extend our downwind.
Reach 484 Heavy, left turn, Charlie 1 remains frequency.
Okay, left Charlie 1, reach 484.
Just so he can get off there. He's turning now, I can see him. We'll go ahead and I'll do our base now. Tower 184 Victor, left base.
Number 184 Victor, runway 36, wind 020 at 16, clear for the option.
If the option is going to be full stop, 184 Victor, with runway 36.
Roger, clear to land.
Good land, 184 Victor. Alright, cool. Clear to land. Let's make it a good one. I can see Skytree from here. That's how amazing visibility is tonight. Can't wait to get over there. It's been a few weeks now since I've been over there.
And reach 484 is clear deactive.
There you go.
Frequency, taxi park via GoPro. Have a good night.
Okay, taxi via Fox on this frequency. Have a good night, sir. Got a close one there with those birds. But, you know, it's important to, you know, any circumstance like that, just to remain calm and let your skills kick in. You know, I didn't overreact, and I'm pretty proud of myself for that. Didn't do anything crazy. I didn't dive down. That's the last thing you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the flight.